The piano is a wonderful musical instrument, and one can make a cheap one using a 555 Timer IC chip. This concept of the piano is achieved by making the timer generate 5 to 15 different kinds of sounds. The different sounds are generated through timer by allowing it to run as free-running mode or Astable mode or square wave mode, with variable frequency output option. Before going for circuit, one should understand how the frequency output of square wave generated by free-running timer can be changed. The figure shown below is a mere square wave generator. In the third formula it can be seen that the frequency of output square wave is inversely related to R2. In the piano circuit it is a button network. So if R2 increases, the frequency decreases. This changing frequency with changing resistance when connected to speaker, we get different sounds. Now we see the circuit diagram of piano or Astable with different frequencies. In this circuit, consider a case: a button first from left is pressed, the resistance between pin 7 and pin 6 goes as 100 plus pot resistance. For example, consider the frequency generated here is 1 kHz square wave, and so we get a tone. Now if the second from left is pressed, the resistance between pin 7 and pin 6 goes as 100 ohm plus pot resistance plus 10 kilo ohm resistance. Now here the frequency of square wave generated is different from that of first one, as the effective resistance have changed between pin 7 and 6. With this frequency change of square wave, we get a different tone to the first one. This is how every button is set up in the circuit. So every time a button is pressed, a different amount of resistance gets connected to generate a different frequency square wave, and so we get a different tone for different button. This concept is used to generate the whole combinations of tones form the piano. To make this more interesting and usable tool, the number of tones in this piano circuit can be increased by connecting more resistor buttons configuration. So we can get more than 10 tones depending on one's choice. The pot is to adjust for a pleasant tone. The 10 kilo ohm resistors can be replaced with any kind of resistances depending on the convenience. I hope that you liked this tutorial and learned something new from it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get new video updates.